Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello friends. As you can see, I'm out in the rain. Would you like to name natural disasters with me? Awesome. Even though it's raining right now, we can still have fun. Before we do, let's talk a little about what a natural disaster is. It's a very harmful impact on a society or community after a natural hazard occurrence. Also referred to as natural hazards, which are major sudden developments caused by environmental factors. Let's get started naming the examples. Tsunami, blizzard, mudslide, monsoon, tornado, earthquake, volcano, flood, hurricane, wildfire, cold wave, avalanche, drought, hail, landslide, heat wave, lightning. You're absolutely amazing. Thank you for naming natural disasters with me. It was totally fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. I'm looking forward to learning with you again. Keep being great.